In this video, we'll see how to work on the wrap text using Excel macros VBA. Let us see that. Now, if you see, I have some data on the screen that is A1 to A5. The sheet name is wrap text n_wrap text. The file name is Excel VBA. Now, if I want to do a wrap text on the cells, I'll select the cell basically. In the home tab, I'll just click on this wrap text. So, if you observe, the column width would be the same, but the row height will keep on changing here. Again, if I click on this place, it will come back to the normal position. Now, if I want to do the same thing with the help of Excel macros, how do I do that? So, I'll open the VBA editor part. You can see here, that's a VBA editor. Okay, these are the all sheets which are given. These are the modules. I'll minimize the sheets part. Okay, and these are the modules. I've created a module named as wrap text. Okay, and inside I've created sub procedure, that is wrap text. And it's very simple, just two lines I have to write to enable and disable. That is range A1 to A5 dot wrap text equal to true dot wrap text equal to false. That's it. Nothing else you have to write. Now let us see if I execute that step by step what happens. So I've selected the area A1 to A5. Remember A1 to A5, and I'll just click inside, click on step into. After this line gets over, this should be applied. If I click on step into, observe the wrap text will be enabled here. Wrap text is enabled at this place. Again, if I click on this false button, wrap text will be disabled, and finally it has been done the coding part, right? So I hope you're able to understand. It's very simple for applying a wrap text into your VBA editor. It's very simple. You can say range dot wrap text equal to true or equal to false. That's it. I hope you have understood. That's all for this video.